This is 7:30 a.m. Easter Sunday, and there's quite a few people here. There's like a guy behind me. I feel like it's a race. You just go up the side. Remember how I said, see how it works? Yeah. Nice, first cast even. Oh yeah, you're right, they're tiny males. Very fun. Because I've never used a jig. They're tiny, man. Yes, sir. Woo! Dude, I really want to catch crappie. I'm not good. I've caught very little. There you go. We're using, can I see the bait for the
maps? Use the tail. That thing.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
I think you're right. Now I see it close.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What did I say, Tom? He's feisty, though. Crappie. No. Oh, yeah, crappie. I don't think he's big enough, but he may be. That is definitely the biggest crappie. No way. 2 seconds in, it's like, bam. What is this? It's just a feisty one, I guess. Look at that. It's feisty. It was like the second it hit the water, though. Got another boy. Whoa, we both hooked up. Yeah! Another small male for both of us. A little bit bigger.
That's big. That's pretty big.
First of all, that's a big crappie. Second of all, he choked it. So we keeping him for sure. It's a big one. Not big. I just caught myself. Oh, I had one. I didn't even know I had one. Get off me. Doing a solid here. All right, I'm gonna grab a rod and we're head over there. Made it out. There's a lot of birds flying around. Not sure what that's about. The Grapevine Lake for sure. That's 377, so I know.
Well, right, I know that. There's a couple creeks that come out of Grapevine Lake.
This one goes in. Because Henrietta connects to Denton.
There's a big boy over there.
Fish? Fudge. This is big. This is big. This is big. We're fishing today, boys. Dude, that's a big crappie.
Dude, there's a big boy over there.
This is actually a keeper, bro. I'm gonna keep this one.
What are you gonna do with it?
Eat it. It's the best tasting fish you can get. And we are doing our last cast.
Here
We
go.
caught a fish. That was the main goal. We've only spent 35 minutes. You ready to go?
I say.
All right, so we're gonna get our fishing bait right here, guys.
No.
Punch him in the face. All right, so here's the fillets. This right here is the crappie. The big, big crappie. That is a big fillet. So it is done. It smells really good actually, and it looks good, so I'm excited to eat it.